morning. We are back on the Vlogmas game and it's been a mess because half of my stuff is at my old house. Now most of it is here, but we've got quite the cleanup. All of the stuff has been moved here, but it has not been organized. So I'm either gonna do that today or tomorrow. We also have a bunch of packages that just came. My current struggle is that I am looking for my tripod so that I can put you guys somewhere and I can show you guys my day, but we can't find it. So we're just gonna use random household objects and pray that that works out okay. But let us start by putting on some makeup, maybe? I don't know, I've been doing this new thing where I just put on makeup to start my day off so I feel better being on camera. It's actually already 1 p.m. so I spent the entire morning like responding to a bunch of emails and just catching up on stuff. I also got my lashes refilled, so there's that. Let me find my makeup pouch and let's get the look on. I don't know what to do, you guys. I really need to find my tripod. But if I showed you the situation, you would know why I can't find my tripod. I'm pretty sure it's in my closet. Are you ready for this? Ta-da! This is the situation that we're dealing with. So that's why I can't find my tripod. Let's just put on some makeup. And I always love watching unboxings. It's like my favorite thing in the world. So I have literally like 27 packages that we need to unbox. So I figured we'd do that. I finally figured out what was wrong with my G7X. So I had changed the settings so that the auto stabilization was higher, and I couldn't figure out why all of a sudden my face was so zoomed in. I turned the stabilization on to high that it like crops the frame so that it can capture the motion better, I think. Anyways, we're back. Okay, great. Now let's actually put on our makeup, cover up the blemishes that we have. By the way, I just got a new Tarte Shape Tape concealer. If you don't use this, this is the holy grail, and mine is in night neutral. Mine is in light neutral, which is literally the exact color of my skin tone. I have one that is a shade lighter that I use for actually like, you know, under my eyes and like places that I want to brighten. For covering blemishes, I actually prefer to use one that is closer to my actual skin tone so that it doesn't appear so like white and blotchy. But leave me a comment and tell me if you're having a good December so far. It is my birthday in 3 days, which I'm extremely excited for, but also I don't actually have any specific plans, and I'm also working on my birthday. Mascara. Does anyone ever look cute doing this? Get some eyebrow action going. I honestly really need to go and have someone do my eyebrows. When I lived in LA, I used to go to the Benefit Brow Bar. While we do my makeup today, I figured our lesson of the day, I gave you guys a little bit of a pep talk. I was actually giving myself a pep talk, but it helped some of you guys as well. We were talking about the topic of, you know, just taking the leap. So I figured maybe from now on in our vlogs, we can just include a little motivation, a little inspiration if you're needing that little extra kick. But I think a lot of the times the fear of not being able to do something as best as I can really stops me from doing it. What I learned is that shipping beats perfectionism. So don't worry about it being perfect. You just have to give it the shot that you can give. Everyone is a beginner at some point. Everyone starts somewhere, and from there you can continue to build on. Don't worry about not being as good as you want to be, because the worst thing that you can do is just not do it at all. I hope that as 2018, is it 2018? No, it's 2019, you guys. I hope that as 2019 comes to a close, you are really evaluating the different things that you have in your life, whether it's your career, your friendship, your family relationships, whatever it is. I hope that you can reevaluate each of those things and decide what's really good for you, what's not good for you, what needs to change, how you can improve things, and just start 2020 off with a bang, right? That's all we want to do. Let's go grab all the packages and I'll show you what's up. Okay, fam. So I have all these packages here that have just been waiting for me to unbox them. They all arrived at my new address, but for a while I was actually still in my old house. So these have all piled up. I figured it'd be the perfect time to do a little unboxing for you guys. Some of these are PR packages, some things are just things that I bought. Other things are from Cyber Monday, etc. So let us just jump right into this. I'm gonna try my best not to flash my address during this episode. First thing that I have is This is from West Elm. One of my favorite friends on Instagram actually recommended this product, so I ordered it over Cyber Monday. It was on sale for $20, but it's actually a really nice toiletry bag. I just needed something to, you know, keep all my toiletries in when I travel. I don't know. It is a little bit smaller than I anticipated, but hopefully it should be fine. Box number 2. This is from Amazon Prime. It is my Magic Keyboard and my Magic Mouse. My company actually ordered this for me, but I actually work a couple different jobs. One of them requires me to do a lot of remote work on the computer, and so they ordered me a mouse and a keyboard, as well as a, what is this? We also have a deluxe computer cable, super exciting. Okay, we're good there. Actually, I already started wearing part of the package, which is my Aloe Yoga pants. So if you didn't already know, Aloe Yoga has some awesome yoga slash workout athleisure gear, but it's extremely expensive. I love their stuff, but I wouldn't purchase it on the regular because it is really, really pricey. However, for their Cyber Monday sale, I can't remember if it was Black Friday or Cyber Monday, they actually had their classic black leggings, like the normal ones, no crazy, like, you know, cutoffs or weird designs, just the normal plain black legging. That was on sale for, I want to say it was like 20 something dollars. So I thought it was a really, really good deal. I was like, is this real? Could it be fake? Like, how is it possible that it's $20? So I got myself 2 pairs. One of them I'm already wearing, which I love. And then also this pair. I got them in size small. I fit in the extra small, but the bum area is just a little tight. So I decided to size up and they feel so much more comfortable. I'm really happy I did that. I love this like nice pastel blue color, but it's just a normal sports bra, super cute. I just love getting packages. I don't know why. I feel like every time I get a package, it kind of feels like Christmas. We got that Gucci HDMI cords. Oh, ow. And we've got a nice gel mouse pad. Okay, now getting into the fun stuff. I have a new package from Figs. I'm so excited. They have some awesome scrubs. Cut along dotted lines. Okay, let me get some scissors. Ta-da! We've got some nice dark navy scrubs. So I got the Katarina one pocket top in double extra small, as well as the Zamora joggers, both from Figs. I'm gonna try these on later on and show you guys what it looks like. I've seen all the hype about these all over social media, so I wanted to try them for myself. But these are from Vessi. They are sneakers. I actually don't own any black sneakers, but I wear a lot of black leggings and black shorts, so I figured that would be nice. I went to Ulta and actually only went there to get Shape Tape concealer, and here we are with a bunch of things that we didn't intend on buying. The first thing that I got is the Truly Madly Deeply palette from ColourPop. Just look at this, like how unreal is that? I love ColourPop's products. I didn't really discover them until this year, but the pigmentation is so good and they come at a really reasonable price point. There was a Lancome rep there when I was shopping at Ulta, and I was actually on the market for a new foundation. I've been using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD for a very long time. I just wanted a little bit more coverage, especially like when I break out and stuff. And so I was looking for something that was a little bit more, I'm sorry friends, I cannot say these words. And then finally, I finished using my Shade and Light contour palette, All Aglow palette, and in here you've got your highlight, blush, and then also your bronzer. And then the last thing I'm not going to open, but it is a giant external monitor for my work. Let's try the scrubs actually. I feel like that'd be cute. All right, you guys ready? I really am a very big fan. These scrubs are so cute. So I got them in double extra small for the pants and the top, and they fit perfectly. I think they're very true to size. Normally I'm a size extra small, but in scrubs I am double extra small, so I would just go with whatever you normally wear in scrubs. But these are so comfy and they're so cute. Like, I cannot get over this. I think I made a couple of TikTok videos. Also, if you don't follow me on TikTok, you should really go and follow me there because I'm having a time of my life. Just ate dinner, forgot to vlog that too, but let's get some work done and maybe we'll edit this video. Got back to my room and let me just show you the situation that we need to fix before the day is over. Oh my God, what? How in the world did I create this mess for myself? But anyways, okay, let's get started. I'm gonna leave you guys here. Here is the after. I cleaned my room. Did I just throw everything into my closet? Maybe, but my camera actually ran out of battery and with this move, I can't find any of my belongings, including my second battery. So I'm now vlogging on my iPhone. Today was a lot of planning and tomorrow will be a lot of doing. So hopefully we'll be able to get a little bit more done tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Turn on that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I post, and I'll see you guys soon. The next vlog is going to be a deep cleaning of that closet, which you guys saw a preview of. So I'm excited to finally be able to walk in my own walk-in closet. Currently it's just a sea of items that I don't even know if I want anymore. So there's that. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.